Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Emmanuel Agbogun dey with the youngest landlord, the Edo comedian, wey use the money wey he get from joke wey he dey crack take build hotel for Benin. Una know say the youngest landlord na APC supporter. He support Pastor Sage Izeyamu well. He don make people understand for this video say this hotel wey he build so na for everybody, no be for APC only. Because of one commenter wey come comment for this video, say this hotel na for APC. So e don make am understand to everybody now say na for everybody this hotel wey im build so. Make I leave you, make you hear from the youngest landlord and Emmanuel Agbogun. Enjoy the video.
Yes. Good afternoon, my conscious Edo people. I remain no other person than yours, noble right activist, comrade Agbogun Emmanuel. And this afternoon, we're discussing with our brother, the youngest CEO as a comedian to own a hotel in Edo State, the one and only youngest landlord, as is popularly known, the man who don't get money but they do things. As you all know, Edo is a hub for tourism, for all forms of attraction across the globe. Not just Nigeria as a whole, but across the globe. You hear about the beauty and the strength of our heritage as a people. So this very afternoon, we are discussing with the first comedian, the youngest CEO in Edo State, to own a hotel and apartment where you can come for relaxation and all forms of peaceful and lawful gatherings. So today, meet my brother, youngest landlord.
Good afternoon, ma. Emmanuel Agbogun, my day one brother. The only man that was here with his phone. You were actually doing live video on my opening with your phone. That went viral, yes. So now through your live video, now Nigerians all over the world they know say youngest landlord open hotel, because before me post, now you fair post. So God bless you, my brother, for that.
I bless you, my brother.
Yeah.
So this our brother will be having a happy hour with him. This happy hour is to let the people know, those of our youths that are doing things that are enterprising, that are doing things that are innovating, and that are also trying to ensure that they elevate the living standard and the infrastructural needs of our state via their venture into hotels and other forms of
my brother, all these our talk wey we hear dey talk. More than they share this video, all these entrepreneurs, Edo youth, Nigeria youth. Akito, where my gate man? Akito, come go back, book on. Make me and Emmanuel Agbogun eat Akbo first. Man of, see, to be strong in the Lord. Now for who does shop? You never shop, you won't go strong in the Lord. As you dey shout, Holy Ghost, pray, you will fall for altar. So mo fek gbela for live video before many questions. You understand? Akito, Emmanuel, this my hotel. I want to say Akbo. So
confirm
for now, other food day, Africa or continental dishes all day. So, but since I want to say Akbo for my hotel, I dey buy for outside, and Akbo they hungry me. I want to know what they hungry you.
What you chop for your hotel now? I want
now you want to see if my boy.
Yes,
how much be that? Oh yeah, you buy Akbo 1,000. At least before we eat 900, our belly and yours go swell up. So buy Akbo 1,000. Then you go buy meat. How much go the better? Collect that one, then you buy, use what you buy meat. Oh yeah, add that one, join. Add that 100 can join. And just take buy meat, they will separate them.
Man, you be.
Yeah, Akbo 1,000. So meat 1,000. Abi, you all put all together. Oh, be like, we go charge it. That's what it do.
All right, viewers.
One another so.
Please, if you are joining us this hour, is a happy hour. We want to just throw more light from the comedy, angle of Edo, as the case may be. And I know say our brother you know, the day wey dey break history, I tell am say, he say he wan open hotel. I say, but you know say you wan break history, see you. He say, I say, me you come your occasion that day because I know say you get mouth, you dey try. You be guy wey be say you believe in wetin you believe in. You person be say no matter wetin dey stop you. If you say you wan do that thing you must do, and nobody go tell you say no. You know get wetin you want. You are always a determined person from the day one I've known you, and ever since you have been pulling waves. So the truth about it is, today Edo people are hearing from you, and as a comedian, the truth part of it is that what you experience from day to day as a life is what you translate into what gives you money.
Yeah.
How you present it to the people that gives them fun, that gives them expectation in whatever they do. It's not so easy, but the truth be said, comedy is a part of our society that, you know, enhances the social happiness, you know, of our people. Yeah. So as of today, our brother youngest landlord remains the most youngest landlord to have made a record to ensure that he puts Edo people on the map, to ensure that he does things that would enhance comedy, that will enhance entertainment. I've known him with that passion, and ever since he has always ensured that he always reach that height. So if you are joining us, you never share this video.
I don't share already.
I know say most of una now from the comment section one for the talk because
if you have any question
those of una
question and answer, even right from 10 years, I offend you, I not offend you, right from many things when they happen in my life when you know things that have happened in youngest landlord life. So please, if you have anything to say, any contribution, any advice, anything, any question, my marital life, anything where you want to talk, my single life or anyhow, anything where you know, when they your mind, talk.
But I did live video. If you do social media now, you go say I did live video. If you call,
today must funny. Today must funny. Today many things, many secrets, any hidden secret you want to ask.
And you never share our video now. It can't be so that you want to scatter the live broadcast all day. So as a brother, Joma, please help me share my video first. After which I will talk to you. You know, it's been a while we spoke. Just yesterday you called me after many days. I'm on live. So just call me, share the video first.
We fed day live, but we did live video.
We did live video.
We fed day alive.
We did talk to everybody. That drop, you don't understand now. So my conscious Edo people, as soon as know now waiting they happen for our society, as the things they reflect. Now they also use the platform of social media where we get, take the inform our people, take the ensure say our people know up to date, you know, of waiting they go on. Youngest landlord, I agree to my brother. You know, say Edo people don't do like almost 148 now.
Okay.
Are you back for now?
153 that we share.
I know say this video don't ring bell for Germany. I be more than share for Germany.
I bet you this will be the funniest video you will watch. I believe today and now, Abi.
Yeah, today you know, say 100 days in office as a CEO.
So from on the first night till the night, I believe this very video will be the funniest with simple fact and simple truth when you don't watch. So share this video because before we see again, I open January 31st. Now we dey see again. So this video, many questions there when you want to ask. Because now you did the opening, you see this where and you see. So share the video.
So if you know you are watching with us, please share this broadcast, share it. The Edo Wave can do better. If you know, so you know your brother maybe say the time when they work, he never wake up. You know, if you know the one if you see the time when they sleep, he never wake up. I bet just still try send a message them for inbox. Make them hear the update of waiting the youngest comedian, person who don't feel breakthrough for inside an industry. He don't dey recognize, he don't feel the do things, he don't feel the help himself, don't feel the create employment for people as a young man. That's the major thing, because whatever thing we God give you, once you don't feel the translate into positivity for society, that will be fine. I be not be so.
Maybe for real believe say I dey pay salary or I get worker. Okay. May I call my worker. Okay. My drink don't finish. Your own, you only open.
May the escort we want. Now
one we first send food. Akbugu want it, but better food. You will see better food later on this live video. They don't say we dey sell food.
I'm on shop.
Ella,
That's the guy. Very funny.
Ella.
Very vast. Very balanced as a young person. Very determined. So as you all know, it's Youngest Landlord Hotel Apartment and Suite. You'll be a part of it to watch around what he has in stock. When I came January 31st, I was amazed. Then we're talking about CDA and the way forward. We're not counting the bites on social media, but ever since we have solved over 60 to 70 cases of land grabbing, forceful encroachment, and we're also protecting those lands for our people in line with what government has made a policy and a law as the state is concerned. So for some of us, we believe that those of our people who are far and wide, who do not have trusted hands, you can also use our platform. We are sure of giving you your file numbers, waiting for your assessment and all that in less than 2 weeks from receipt of approval and financial payments for your needed CFO requirements. So once again, we are here today to join our brother, Youngest Landlord, the Edo #1 comedian, to own a hotel and apartment. If as a young man like this, we can have more of this, I think most of our youths who are seen to be misguided, who are seen to be on the streets, would actually get a useful engagement to enhance their source of livelihood. So once again, Youngest Landlord, you're on the screen.
Yes,
I know
I'm watching already. I'm also watching.
I believe you.
And
I believe you.
as my fans, as your fans, MB, they born. Make my own too, still they born. As your own too, still they born. Me all of us, also they born. Because we are one. United we stand, divided we fall.
So, my conscious Edo people, I remain no other person than Comrade Emmanuel S. Aibogun. And this very afternoon, if you are watching us from the comment section, we'll also be hearing you out. On the broadcast today, we have Edwin Obeide, we have Loisin Himate, we have Sandy Amadi, we have Erons, Prince Erons. We will see you from wherever you watch.
See question, how do you Godwin? Just okay. You feel as I like that question. Okay, but go on.
Okay. Somebody.
No, carry on down. This one. That one.
Wait. The comment section now. We want go into that comment section. I bet questions on the triggering. For what I see now, so we get about 31 comments. Make I feel go where I go see all the comments, so that I go feel follow now. And if I don't know, so I post question before, and when I never get answer to the question. The first question why they see for here, where you come, they come for I am Ivan Castro. And they bring that question, they come this our happy hour broadcast. And waiting in the talk now, so in the talk say, Youngest Landlord, we go come sleep one night free.
You feel come sleep 1 million nights free. So far you see my manager. Now my manager will come tell you if not free or if not be free. Okay. But to me, you can sleep anywhere free of charge, police station, anywhere you like, free of charge. Depends on you as an individual. If you do crime, you can sleep station 1 year. If you want to lodge in an hotel, you can sleep 1 year, 1 more. Depends on you and the rapport with the manager. Police be like manager for hotel. So that is it.
Yes. Sorry, I have to visit my screen back. Then another of our sister, I believe in her sister.
What happened to your girl?
She say, Osasu Ede, say, my question, Youngest Landlord, what happened to the girl that you engaged some years back?
Nothing happened to her.
Social media, wait.
Okay.
Why I busy on social media and I want to hear everything? He good.
Why?
He good.
Why? Okay, my brother won't respond.
He good.
Now I get the matter. Anything be former girl, present girl.
He good.
I don't like getting myself involved.
He good. My fans all over the world. You guys know that right for time. I be natural person, and I dey very free. I live my simple life. So I don't live to impress others. I impress myself. Why am I saying this? So the Bible says, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." I don't hide anything. You understand? So when issues like this came up, I know during comment section then, when I do introduction recently, I see many people they say, hey, I believe this is the right place to clear my mind, to also clear out that issues before.
You know, that people like Una, we know Apostle Suleiman, people like Una, is no man of God. Una they see prophet, Una they open hotel, prophet they call it pray. Man of God when they open it up, when they pray, when they say, you know, say as a young man while they grow, you know, say I share the pain of Apostle Suleiman in a way. I'm a sympathizer of his case.
Call they appear, you they hide the talk.
Okay, no, I did. My people they hear me now. So I decide say they must talk about you.
Yeah.
Whether nobody talk about you, you are nobody. So so somebody must talk about you for you to be somebody. So that's the case. Yeah. So even you, I know they talk about you. They talk about your pastor, your man of God, apostle. So let us know about this our question where our sister asked. Since you say you want to respond, I been want come out talk for your man, but I can't say no. I need to na comment section with the follow.
Yeah, so when you need
comment section with the follow, no be me talk. I don't identify saying a question she asked. So she say me you talk about
my ex. I know.
Society. Say wetin happen to the girl when you engage.
Yes.
You know, once again.
Why you need to buy your guest landlord? I'm loyal to my fans all over the world. You have helped me before, you have not helped me, nothing, not anything. As far as you they use your MB, they follow me. It's a great privilege. So for that, I have to explain to them. Any question when you know me,
they don't ask.
That question that you asked, my sister, now very good girl, now humble girl. I wish her all the best.
Broadcast.
I wish her all the best in anything she's doing. So I believe we actually engaged, but unfortunately we can't even get some. Miracle, may God will still bless us. So we are fine. We are at least we can understand is say maybe we are not meant for each other. So that was the right word I'm using. So I can't spoil her name. She cannot also spoil my name. So she's fine and she's very open. The owner, the CEO, is a common man to the poor, to the rich, to the hopeless. So his business is also common and accommodating for everybody. So that's it.
I beg give us your number. We'll fit pin for
081 30 3704.
So don't worry, it's live. I don't know the people where they do witches and wizards, but now they know. If you not like Mona see broadcast what they do, want to talk. Okay, I bet that boy will go buy this and make you bring them home.
Everywhere good.
Your kitchen. You go that kitchen where they put all those equipment, all those gas, all those burner, all those things.
Now so supposed to be now.
I bet they need to use all those things when they do
they use now food when they hungry me.
Okay, now you want
when not the apple.
Okay.
Now you're the hungry me this hot afternoon. As a poor man where I be so
you don't see youngest landlord don't pin a number, and if you want me I think the phone where you did now if they calling the loudspeaker, because you know say every layman must get a palasa.
No, now my public line I put it.
Your public okay.
My private. Now
the okay. Okay, so no wahala na. But the loudspeaker they work now.
They work.
We'll put on
our mic. The phone I pay finish so
work.
It they work.
Okay, I believe you, my brother. So if you're just joining us, we're talking to our brother, youngest landlord and youngest landlord comedian, CEO, apartment owner, hotels and apartments, and someone who is the first man to create such an investment in the Edo segment of the Nigerian entertainment market. So if you're just joining us this afternoon, we are talking one-on-one with our brother,
And the last time when we stopped, we were asking him about his relationship with his wife.
No, my ex.
Your ex?
First of all.
Okay.
First of all.
I never knew she's your ex.
Yes. First of all, I'm not married. I'm not married. I'm not legally married. But I have a woman in my life. When she born my son in Daosa. Oh, so which I intend.
You are a great man.
Yes, which I intend. Yes, in Daosa. So so I can't lie. If I lie, I say I don't marry. Many of them will still go check. When I go bring say I never married. But with God, I'm cool with this and she's fine. So we just enjoy our relationship. That one before, I never married her before. Now I engaged with introduction before you not come work out for us. So and we are fine now. We dey see they greet each other well. So that's it.
Okay, so you've heard from my brother. My brother, I won't really ask you because not be just for us to talk to make people want laugh or for us to let them know us the way we be as people where they talk issues for our society. I won't ask you. Waiting you don't see the challenges where you feel say now waiting, be an issue for you to feel move this establishment.
Why you drink delay now? What? No, even if they do interview,
you come now. You are not. Are you not a human being?
I just tired.
Or you don't want to sell our brand? So yes, that's it. Our CEO just served me another bottle of chill stout, very cold. And on the table here we also have.
They write her down. Make the not go to say now only me want to drink the drink by themselves. But all the same, ihianyo, eke na ihian e na me da. Ito we wa gbi wala. Ihianyo, eke na wa ihian. Orije e na wa gbogo pa.
So if you are watching with us, please share this broadcast. Share this broadcast. So my brother, the challenges where you don't see for business,
Okay, since I open or generally?
Maybe generally. Since you just become CEO, because I know say any day when I call you say how far now you do, you say you do hotel. I say this guy need to work out comedy work again, and then they go shoot, before you become you say you do shooting.
Yes.
So what's going to happen these days now? If I call you now you say you do hotel, what's happening? Is there more money now in hotel than comedy?
No business that you are doing that you can never make money, except you don't know what you are doing.
Okay.
When you know what you they do, even if you they sell only neck or crayfish, you fit use am build that. Now be say your sense many pass money. So when you don't know what you they do, any business you put on, if you work now, because first of all, you will carry capital money when you want to buy goods. You take do birthday for a shower mama. You go begin borrow money to take buy goods. People don't know what you do. So the business is cool, and I believe that God has been faithful. So if they show it color ever since, people have been coming. As we are talking now, I get guests when Lord when carry apartment. Don't they relax for over 1 week now? So it's fine. To compare it with my comedy lifestyle. Okay. So we are still doing it together because as I'm talking to you, on Sunday I was in Aoshi for Apostle Suleiman's wife birthday. Okay. Not yesterday, the last Sunday. Then I just go worry come back. So first of all, I'm not the manager here. I'm just a CEO, MD. It's just for me to check my records of what they are doing.
Yes.
Yes. That's all. So I don't have. Not me they serve drink. Not me they carry people go room. So I have people that are employed doing that. Not me they open gates. My major concern is that anything you are doing, it should correspond with the book that I have, that you also have. Then there is camera. Then if anything wrong, and the manager now get put it. You know the staff. Because the manager now they employ staff. That's the pay them.
Okay. Okay, so very nice one. Our Santana just fall into the building. Please tell kitchen to give me some dishes and washing.
Yeah, get some plate. Look, yeah. Santana is here. Santana at top, babe. Apu at top, babe.
Hey,
Domo, Apu. Hey! Yo, guess landlord. See your life, Obidi.
So, my Edo people, it's no other person than Just Noble Rights activist and the comedian himself, Youngest Landlord. You know, it's not so easy. I tell you, if you have known the sacrifice this man has passed through most times, I just see myself, but good rest. So this life, now we are alive, now they benefit them. See, but what is my question, man? See, I have answered my question. Have you? You haven't answered my question, wait. How do you
gather source money? You used to build source hotel, especially that come from Benin and live in Benin. Even those comedians in Lagos has not done it. Very, very good question.
Okay, to build source hotel. Okay.
Very good question.
You just say, I didn't say the comment section. People they ask questions like.
But now they share this video. Any question, yes, I'm ready to answer.
A big shout out to my brother Oyi Japan with all the anthologies. We see you. Although you never see me since all the things
all this live video. Also but follow.
Today is happy hour. We are talking to one of our illustrious
Youngest Landlord.
And Youngest Landlord. So one of our brother who we know, we don't see on ground, will be big diaspora, where they do well for himself and for God. You see, I'm saying his name now Uyi Osaibobo.
God bless you, Baba.
Now one guy is in the try.
I'm loyal not to drink Gary. Why is it
So please, this of our brother is an illustrious son. He's somebody that is good in what he does best, comedy. And if we are also praying for his future and the future of our society, Youngest Landlord is one comedian that have breakthrough. You have been to UK to do comedy, right?
I started going to the UK since 2013. 2019 I went with my mom with 6 Edo entertainers.
Okay.
That I issued visa to. That God used me to issue visa, not by my power. Okay. So I can't take the credit or the glory. All glory belongs to God.
Okay.
So now last year now Corona I can pursue me
yes. No be only you see affect the entertainment industry. Yeah. And even Edo the way we do they see the nightlife now for Benin City. Despite we don't see since
more eat first. As the food they hot.
No, as the food they made they put on. You get the way with this show, we still get like more than 30 minutes to do on the program. If you're calling in, Youngest Landlord number is on the hotline. It's a happy hour to live with those of us.
For that guy when asked me that question, say how I take build hotel.
I will bring up with the soup.
This is soup.
That's what we do the chop and soup there.
Okay,
now soup there.
6 to 6.
6 to 6.
One man vote.
Santos.
One man vote.
One man, one vote. One woman, one vote. If one man is 3 Satana, the other man 3 Satana. And you know that you won't give your one to the other person or not.
To answer your question, my brother.
The Santos things we are doing this afternoon.
To answer your question, you say
if you are not watching us and you are on the Edo social media space, you are doing something different.
You are on a long tail.
At the happy hour, you are on a long tail. So tune in. Don't forget saying that we will be your brothers who will keep for us more to watch over.
You say?
And thus far we do the best. We don't say society fit promote us to do.
Drinking water with just bottled water. Maybe bring wash our hand for that. I'm having to
I bet you bring bucket come on, don't leave camera. People they watch us.
Oh yeah, bring rubber.
But you depend on staff. Even if as much as I don't say.
I get staff here.
You like to do something as a.
No, my staff want.
As a gentleman.
This soup menu.
This soup must be not be Youngest Landlord send message.
My birthday they want to see soup from. I don't tire. Inja. Wow.
My birthday they want to.
I don't tire. Soup can't even many pass me.
Yes.
Youngest Landlord see your life. Abi Akito tell us say he want engage with. Okay. Now boy Akito home they had do.
Okay, they put Akito home.
So more come Akito home.
Yeah, Akito will bring one. He will bring spoon and one plate now.
Yeah.
Put in knife and commode. Your own meat and everything.
We just go well.
So if you're watching us, feel free to call in. It's the happy hour. See and I Gusi. Hopefully give you a little shift on waiting to the plate.
Special Egusi.
Our normal Egusi.
Special Egusi.
for Iyaput for Sapele Road.
Akpo the heavyweight champion.
Akpo the heavyweight champion.
May I have the food?
If you even look at the cellophane that they bring across, I said they tell us thank you. He said they tell us thank you.
Akpo the heavyweight champion.
So now the way we do the run things, at times when we do street, I can't do survey this afternoon. I say my brother youngest landlord. The only comedian wey be say they feel they try to pull, you know, the strength of growing himself as a man and the comedy job wey they do.
Yeah,
I know say 100 days in office as a CEO.
If they come up, we go fund you.
We never dey see more talk for the comment section. Oh, sorry.
Just enough to ask one question.
So you say, my brother, may God continue to bless you in all you're doing.
Amen.
You see again, say you keep counting him off. You are bad interviewer. Okay, no, you know, say all this our level.
So we need to come out.
This my brother.
Bring one plate and one spoon.
And one spoon, take cut am. You know, say this our brother wey una see so he too talk. If you leave am, he talk. If you know the manager,
no.
he go point.
Why I no go talk? Even if I point, and my fans I point to.
They say Emmanuel allow him to answer the question.
Yeah, you know say.
You go see man.
Let me
talk. See, what I love about you is your royalty, youngest landlord. You must humble before the law. You understand?
The Bible says that he will bless the humble.
You
understand me?
Our sister will be Grace Egbes Okoji say good food. If you look again, say honestly, I'm happy for youngest landlord. God will continue to uplift him. This investment will also give you employment to people with his comedy name, youngest landlord. God made it come to reality. This man, he commented, he think that this is not doing that, come to reality. Sorry, hold on.
To be a super landlord.
Youngest, say, I want to get to the last, say, employment with comedy name, youngest landlord. God made it to reality to be a super landlord. He say watching, okay, that's it. He has made his comment. He say youngest landlord, na guy man, he go hustle for Ghana. Na don't have again.
I like not make I say make you let it talk.
Say never.
May I give the reason?
I never. That's you. I know you.
I never. That's you.
Man. That one I want to start Ken. He say he me say he never know say na you, but he know say you always be a great man. He say Ogun son. This one say you be Ogun son.
Yes.
This one say Joyce or Sanzuwa say Ogun son. The caller Idopa is watching say you are a great man. The masses himself, that's the spiritual leader of Talakawa. Somebody I owe so much respect to.
But more watch how they eat first.
No, more observe them. Because if you don't observe them, how do you want me to watch us? See you.
Oh yeah, you was
say, you know how many people they cook a goosey soup for that? But this one they watch, now everybody they watch, so I just want your public egusi.
Made the set of the egusi not go finish.
Say you are a great man. Then watch again, say where are you from? So say where are you from? In Benin, where are you from? Say let them talk to us. Oh boy. Youngest landlord, I'm proud of you. Sasuke, youngest landlord number they pinned for my wall. If you look at now, I don't pin the number. The number just dey constant. I don't pin am. The number just dey constant. I pin am down for my wall. And as youngest landlord number dey constant, so you wey dey watch us, if you wan call am right away, we wan chop this santos. But make dem bring the water for bucket now. We don't need to leave the podium. Please, if you're watching, we are 294 watching this video currently. Please, if you're watching with us, please try to ensure that you share this broadcast.
See question. What this guy asked again?
Say youngest
landlord,
I want
go into comedy. Make I for build hotel.
I want to make I for build
hotel. I get money like
you, but the thing I say I no funny.
What's your advice
to me?
Iman Rishi.
Say rabbit killer to
confirm.
Owner of hotel.
Confirm. I beg you rabbit now. For tell you something.
Youngest landlord.
Kill some market now for the
so hungry.
Confirm, my brother. I never go last his money. Now I got the form.
That guy say youngest landlord is so hungry.
Now me they be parable say.
But me want smart at the so if you are with us, you're just watching and you're not sharing this broadcast. Honestly, it's not nice because now we come when I will just hear the surprise now they talk. So one and don't share the broadcast. I hope I say if now all those ill important news will be the one they talk now saga. Now I don't see 4 million views. They do all those today people they show nude videos. You see 1,400. Now enterprising youth want talk to public through social media audience. When I still leave us for 250. Since how many hours? Since how many minutes we've been here? I'm not good though. When they share this broadcast now, what is up?
I beg for Akito.
I beg for Akito. No, Akito go left. I am back for now. The spiritual leader of the Telakawa say, hope say plebeians like us. Hope say plebeians like us. Fit lodge there. Spiritual leader, you are the ultimate stakeholder now, you know now. Uninterrupted access. Uninterrupted access. Now our apartment and suite so with an accessible price, we will always feel lost.
Special arrangement, devil they see God.
Devil they see God, you know I be. So
no there, if you not laugh, no say no we mean.
The truth is there be say
mo get strength. I'm so hungry. Waiting. Why all the fast?
Mona they observe youngest landlord I want chop.
I want to eat like a gentleman.
They call me from one side. I need to pick this call.
Pick Anna. Anybody want to call
client? You? No, but the call go affect broadcast more.
You know they wash your hand, my brother.
After you wash your hand, you go as a traditional one. When I say more will be for Benin.
That question when that guy asked me.
Say Benin man we know traditional, the one we lost. And me even if I never speak the Benin. Hello babe. Yeah, I've sent it.
That question when you ask me say,
I've sent it.
Hey, beautiful. I can never forget that question because it's a very good question. When we say need answer, you don't need ignore. So share this video.
I beg, now they watch with us. We're gonna try to share this broadcast.
Who be this?
Share this broadcast. No be really problem we will talk about for really Edo media space. Today we can see our comedian youngest landlord.
Akito, your soup there with Ella 12 na come collect level. Oh Gola. That one is one example.
You push your grandma on the live.
First of all, I don't have. First of all, God does give me house. Houses, 2 houses, Upper and Amagba. Now Amagba they stay. So your 10,000 when you dey see as gain, you can be eating 3,000 and be saving 7,000. You can gather bricklayer they gather money. Bricklayer is 3,500. Who dey move block? 3,500 for 5 bags. Me tell her collect this level. Then if you gather money balance. Why me know if you gather balance? Now discipline. May your brain, may your sense, use your sense. May money pass money. You feel use money well, money not go use you.
Okay.
Now when your money many pass sense, I don't better can you use money, you do better for Ashawo mama because you don't know the use of money. You can't tell me say because I don't be hotel CEO, I'll come to eat only one plate 10,000. Which work are they work? When I know say bills full grant to pay, when I know say expenses surround me, I will eat normally, give normally. Not be say I want live to impress others. The day I start to impress others, what if I don't come fit maintain and come? Now to they go club, start to they buy champagne, you use 1 million take drink, club can't know you, no can't give you award. Now be say na that kind of lifestyle you want to live, they go. The day when you don't fit do and they'll say you don't broke. Now make you get 2 million, you go carry house for Lekki 1.5 million.
Good afternoon. You want to come in?
Good food. So I believe say
I beg everyone. Sorry, my brother. Everyone beg for one thing.
make Akpu.
I beg.
Because you beg for Akpu.
I beg, thank you, Akpu. I beg.
Uh-huh.
Now two, I'll see you do one. Thank you. Okay.
I want to shop too.
Everyone beg for one thing. I beg we dey live broadcast. Make you know they call me directly now. After the broadcast, we'll soon end in like 25 minutes time.
Maybe they wanted their friends say, "Now my guy, wait, may I call him?" I don't know how to put it. That's what you might be big.
My brother, anybody wey no know say he no be my guy, I no go thief your wife. I no toast your girlfriend.
Value you. That's what it be. I want so.
You hear my brother talking as a value who value you.
That's the simple truth of life. Because first of all, not everybody will value you. Not everybody will like you. Not everybody will love you.
Comedian, you don't come again. Say value who value
simple.
you.
Even if now you give money pass for the world, you get anything. Small pikin whenever no one know to where they belle get anything.
Talk more of you. We don't hold for streets.
Or you be saying everybody when come this my opening hotel and they happy. I post hotel, be saying everybody be my friend.
Yeah, man.
But now God Almighty, now they look up to.
On why?
Because they send the manifestation of destinies come into your life. No man is God. Anybody dash you money, believes in that God touch your heart to give you. Because you not give her hope. Anybody come to your hotel, come sleep. They love you. Now God direct them. Not be your hotel fire pass. And be value who value you.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
To life, we are youngest landlord. Today we chop the Akpu and the Santana.
With better egusi soup.
Now I do on my second Santos.
And I see the second. Let's see who will win. Mona, the watch.
So the truth of the life is now fuck up say we will be seen that we be king of social media for South Nigeria. Our youngest landlord dey with us for building for happy hour and our viewing strength na 177.
Na network na shake.
No, network very shake. Abimona dey share this say Emmanuel say something about the appeal judgment. Please, we are not in politics. But I will ask youngest landlord the political statement which he owes me. Since I don't need to tell her that.
Share this video, share now. He want to one thing now.
And he owes me that question. So Mona, don't forget to Mona, relax now. Who can they call us again?
Peter Belefu. So the Yaku Gbe one.
Youngest.
Oh boy. Na too African.
International stage you won't perform it because you can't remember say when I live with this their marriage in the church Santana. Just the wrong thing, just the is not one.
Me answer man.
As una dey with us, una say call someone corner abeg. Make we know if we dey for broadcast like this I know say na my fans una be, na youngest landlord fans una be and una still know me. Una still know say I dey accessible. You fit call me anytime I pick up 1 a.m. 2 a.m. As far as I dey conscious, if my conscious person dey call me, I must answer am. So youngest landlord, now we interview today in a happy hour.
The hotel. Hope the hotel is not for only APC. First of all, the youngest landlord is not for only APC people. It's for everybody.
Yes.
It's for the betterment of Edo State.
Yes.
It's for the growth of Edo State. It's for our monarch to be respected all over the world. It's for good governance. That is youngest landlord for you. So his business is for everybody that want the betterment of the state. Because I did not go to Lagos to build my hotel or Abuja. Not that I can't build over there, but I choose to develop my own state. So my hotel is for everybody, not for APC people. APC is a political party. Those citizens, they are citizens of the state,
But,
which APC belongs to. So and PDP belongs to. All the party belongs to.
Labour Party.
Labour, APGA, anyone. Osamu Diare party, all belong to Edo State. They are citizens that belong. So don't use that comment again. It's a wrong comment. Very wrong. Thank you.
Youngest landlord, how much for a night? Have you not been watching?
I get room. My single executive rooms, they are from 15,000, 20,000. But I dey on a very discount now for everybody. Because now for common man too, I dey on discount before my 100 days in office. I want to do so. So if you come, they'll give you better discount. That's the way they discount this Apple give us. Instead of 10, 1,000, they can't give us 11. The woman can show mercy on us. Can't add one. Join.
Hey, Bobo, Imafi don't say, you say ask any question.
And I dey answer the question.
In what generation is this? Why using your left hand eat food? Bobo,
Na right o, na right I dey eat o.
na right hand we dey eat o.
Na right, maybe you no dey see us well.
Generation eat food.
Na right, see right.
Na right hand we dey eat o, right hand.
We are traditional men. We believe in God and our Oba and ancestors of our land.
Back
Na right. So if God still make us use left eat, that is directly from God. Because I know many friends wey dey use left eat. I dey use my right hand. I dey use my right hand dey swallow akpu.
Yeah, I swear this my afternoon has been made. I know say when there's demand, there must be supply.
Everything dey okay. Una no worry o. Don't worry yourself. The man, which question you say you wan ask me again?
My brother, question many.
Oh yeah, they ask. Are they here?
But inside all the question wey many, you get in one. Wey be say, I need to ask you, because that one concern your industry.
Okay.
You say you as the youngest landlord. Na comedy we take know you put. People like us, na inside we no go gree, You must.
So you fit ask me one about politics abi wetin?
I never ask you anyone.
Okay.
But I say you get one wey dey.
Can I comment?
The first they ask you say about your family, I been say no. But I can't say me dem fire. I been wanna share this broadcast now. Wetin dey happen?
All questions must be answered.
Share the broadcast. See the egusi soup o. The place don down. If you look my forehead, you see am say.
Na ìgbàpò na yẹ kó là sí àbí yẹ.
You see am say the way wey
Èmi
you
wọ́rẹ̀ ẹ̀.
dey be naturally.
Mo sá pé.
Na so you see the be right away.
Oyo dey mi. You say e concern my industry. Wetin do my industry?
About
Abeg me use this your hand.
thank God say na hold am firm o.
I hold am very well.
Thank God say na chop I dey chop. You know say some of us no be say we too get aproko mouth or anything. Some of us na the way we take see the thing. Na way we take dey talk. You know say for this Edo State wey we dey so, na here dey from groom people like their basket mat.
Yes. Basket, AY, Sheilo.
Ṣèyí lọ.
They say Benin here. But the man go die and still Benin still dey.
You understand? So
Many comedians.
so as
Osama Jos, my friend for Jos, him mama na from Isha. Osama Jos. Many successful. IK, wey dey do Big Brother Africa, no be Naija. Monza. Na Benin man na that MC. IK.
okay. So you see, huh?
Oh my guy.
So the matter I didn't know be say, I want to ask you, how you feel say when the announce, you know, that makes people like us when first started to shout and say youngest landlord, the first Edo comedian to open a hotel,
An apartment in Benin.
everywhere cars for Benin,
For Nigeria, the thing trend na if you just go.
everywhere cars, go everywhere, Wikipedia, everybody just they see the record breaking.
Then Suleiman Konsikon,
Suleiman Konsikon.
Apostle Johnson.
Many senior politicians, including the immediate past governorship aspirant of the
Yes.
APC.
He was
Also
socialism,
here.
yes.
It was
If
here.
I come my house for my birthday, once you come out there.
But how you take the feel now, say, as you dey break all this yoke, because I know you are a Christian.
Sure.
And as a Christian, you dey also dey meet men of God, you dey also dey do things the way it's supposed to be.
Yo,
How you dey feel say, in all of these things now, your comedian, particularly some of them, wey first dey the industry before you come break through. You know, say e just be like music where whiskey first dey one time before you know, Zlatan dey just ball out. Come be like say they hide the whiskey small, but all those the Davido and whiskey, they see the fancy man, wetin dey body, just the way through Baba take dey maintain standard.
yes.
They come see say people like una come fall out, una help come hold the entertainment industry. So tey the who is who, like our Baba wey we know, Captain Osa Okunbo, may God bless am wherever he dey. Una know say as e stand so, na you now e come be like say na you come be the stand tall comedian for Edo now. Why you come be say most of your colleagues dem dey, you know, I dey try wan draw this question go many angles so that you go reason am the way
I don't
it's
listen
supposed
now.
be. Why be say most of your senior comedians, how you come feel say
Mona share this video.
say dem no dey commend you?
Mona share this video for this question.
Why you come feel say dem no dey commend you? Na my apple I dey chop.
Yeah, no problem. You don't ask the question. I wash my hand. First of all of us, we are born great. And we are great in the sight of God. So what matters is what you do with your greatness. Now matter. Because as a comedian that I am, right from my early days, most of una wey know me, to answer your questions, because you ask me say how my senior colleagues dem dey feel. Say I just come out from nowhere, I open hotel, build and do this one, or you talk another one say I don't even know Captain Osa or what. Say their reaction. So it's very simple. The truth about life is that you believe in what you are doing, not to impress others. To me, living fake life is not in my dictionary. So I dey make parable say chain when they dey put for neck, chain e no dey feed goat, na dog that dey use shave. Rope na dey feed
Go help me for that one, my brother.
Wetin I talk in essence, if packaging go work for you, e work for you. Live your big life, swag. If you dey live your life simple, you wear your normal small shirt, poor knicker, or they say they don't like you like that. There are people wey go still like you like that, which I dey maintain my single lane. So first of all, not be now I know they encounter these kind of things, the question wey you ask me, because right from time in my days of EBS, I don't even dey get challenges. Come even reach when I take win AY open mic for Lagos, the challenge is there as a frontliner. Edo first this one to do this, to break out, do show for UK 213, see carry mama again, see build house open, build hotel. I'm just a determined young man. I don't know whether they are. If you like, you post me as my senior colleague. I open hotel, you no post. You post too. I don't believe you're posting. Now one blow me. I believe that what I have inside me, the grace I carry, is bigger than what you want to post. So they might be feeling good, they might be feeling bad, because not all friends are friends. Now only answer to that question be that they might be feeling good, sir. Congratulations, youngest now, because many of them did not even post. When I do birthday, they post my birthday, they wish me happy birthday. When I build hotel, they didn't. Some not even come. Some even try to spoil my name. May why not come? Some people are supposed to. But to God be the glory, they come. But to God be the glory. This same young man, when you do, they always want bring down. First of all, na Edo son. Edo they get Edo, na real Benin man. From Egwaba, na Lamogun they greet. I'm from Ebieme. So, una come meet this man for the town, or una not come meet him. This man get his own vision. And you dey try bring am down, you know they fit. You see they do big things when big person. You should know there is God on his side. I'm not a member of Omega Fire Ministry. I'm saying it live. I not be Apostle Johnson Suleiman member. To even shock you, if I tell you when last I go church, you know will believe. I know they serve juju. I just believe in God, not pastor. And they direct me and they operate. But I keep surprising that different men of God, Archbishop, they fall in love with me. Why not be their member? From Bishop Febi Daosa, Apostle Joseph Suleiman, Archbishop Margaret, which one you want to talk? Or Apostle Sazuwa? You see when I open here, 6 different men of God, and I confessed. The next 4 days, now Apostle Suleiman come. I not be their member. I only your call, they do something, then they come. If I be bad person, I believe they are spiritual. They should read. They are seeing beyond the physical. They suppose to know if this boy a bad person or a good person, or if not to associate with, even if I not be their member. But we keep on moving as friends, as father and son relation, different men like that. Go reach Lagos. Now grace. Not by my power. So anything when anybody they do, because I believe what is when God want blow your whistle, even without jersey, without uniform, you will play the ball, not be only play, you will even win. You will score 10 goals.
Exactly.
So now the life when they operate, you look me cheap, you look me that I know the package, but when you want book me for event, I will tell you so amount and you they pay. Una love me for my natural life when they live, and that is what I will continue because it they work for me. I believe the day when I change to they live another life, I don't know how it will be. So I did my single lane. So leave anybody where they feel bad, when they feel good, now they get their feelings. But God know where youngest landlord they go.
But the way you take love God, eh?
Yes, now I believe in God. Because first of all, the day you will fear God, you Emmanuel Agbogun, and the day you will also know that God is not man. Now 2 things. The day you will fear God, the day when you wake up in the morning, you dey kneel down and pray. Now when you realize, say you dey know when you take lie down, you know they know when sleep take you.
Yes.
And you know they know when you take wake up. So and this hair where would they breathe? So people they pay put for hospital, oxygen. Now you will know say even if you don't get money, but thank you.
Thank
Lord.
God. Say,
No wala.
yes, my conscious Edo people, sorry for the break in transmission. You know, I earlier pleaded that those persons calling me live into the broadcast should please ensure that they give us that break. So this very afternoon, we are still on a part 2.
Okay.
We are still on a part 2 segment of our happy hour interview with youngest landlord. Youngest, my brother, my friend. Yes, in this very last segment, we just want to be very direct. If you are the watchers, based on as it be, Mona and Shasona share this broadcast. I beg no vex if you were on the platform and the broadcast went off. So if you're just watching us again, please share this broadcast. This is the first man. I'm proud to make history, to be one of the first social media presenter, human rights activist to interview youngest landlord, one of the Edo-born comedian and first to own a hotel and apartment in Benin City, Edo State. We have very many big names in the Edo entertainment industry, very many who have made names, very many who are breaking weights in Edo State. But youngest landlord has been astounding, only to the fact that his coming out is, keeping him ahead of his pair. So Kosi demands that as we have an illustrious son like this, we should be listening to him at all times. So please, if you're joining us, we've seen one of our brother, senior member of this Emmanuel TV, Ose Omoruge. We've just seen him come up live. Lucky Osas, we'll see you. So for those of you who are just joining us, please ensure you share this broadcast. Share, because we have to promote our own. Youngest landlord.
Yeah. Let me go on my own Instagram live.
I know believe say it's easy for man to just buy cement, buy block, buy sand, carry labourer, begin to move block, raise house from ground to foundation. Only to the past, people don't do one before, so it's something that's achievable. But not waiting every man we don't live for 100 years don't feel achieve. So what do you have to say? What do you have to say about this? What do you have to expatiate more about this? Your achievement. Tell the two people who are listening to you so that you encourage others who are out there. Tell them the mileage you have gone. Because when I say people that open big event centers at your age, when they were at your age, they were not able to achieve what you have done, the record you have made, despite the fact that they were into various ventures in life to earn a living. So at your age, you have actually broken record. Tell us, how were you able to manage one block, one stone, to turn to this comfortable bush bar where I'm seated? I just finished eating a goosey soup and Santos. Say something and throw more light about it.
First of all, I know at my age to open an hotel is not an easy task, but my age might be small in the sight of men. Maybe it's in the sight of God. His blessing is big.
Yes.
So first of all, building is not new to me, because I have the building before I was able to even achieve this my hotel. I'm already a landlord in Amagba, which you all know. So that experience alone also gave me good motivation to build something bigger, because my father once said that road where you don't fair pass, they hard you to pass again. So the experience was not easy, though this building took me 11 months. You can share the video. This my building, this my hotel and apartment, took me 11 months to build. Building is different from acquiring a land. When you acquire, it might take time before you build. So when I acquired this land, it has belonged then. So the hotel building came up when I lodged in an hotel in this Benin. So I was supposed to check out by 12. Then I said I'm coming. That was already after 10. My returning back now, I go carry person. First time the hotel carry my load when 12 never know. They carry my load, put for reception. It was a disgrace to me that at least I'm bigger than that. So I say, at least this hotel even hide. And me get land when near junction for Saple Road. When be say even before Winners, now the land dey. Because one unique thing about me, I love property, just the way I love children. I love property just the way I love children. So I might have 5 million I pay you 4.5 buy land, buy different things. I might have 1 million. I will think, I'm always thinking ahead that if this money is no longer with me, what will I do? Not that I can't boast, as I am now, I can't boast of 2 million or 1 million in my account, or even 500,000, because the money they come, they use and do something.
Yeah.
So when that experience came with my ex issue, my ex girl, the mother of my first son, so that was last year February. She moved out February 16th, 2020. So due to the fact that many things they were I see when she also see through, when the thing could not work, and I just knew lay this foundation of this my hotel February. So I was surprised that they said they go. I said okay, no problem, because she dey only tell me one thing, say now you make me dey this level. The day when I go leave you, you see the type of guy when I want to follow. So that was stick into my head. One unique thing about me is that I love challenges, because no challenge, no champion. Trouble does not trouble those who trouble. Exactly. All my lifetime, since my comedy career, my artistic career, I started as a fighter, as someone who believed that no man is God. God helps. God give you. God that gave you the talent. We must provide for your progress. So because of that, I believe in God, not man. So when the experience came, I look at my life. Young girls, wait till they find again. You get house, you get motor, wait till they happen. They say they go, okay, no shaking. You have to prove to the world that God is. There is God. God when make you go Lagos first time, when you don't know anybody for Lagos. In the year 2009, I reach Ore. I feel say I don't reach Lagos. One will contest AY open mic. Before I finally met AY, contest, took third, come back again, contest, took first. Now I take the AY life. God when they promote me, God when they do all these things for me, I they sleep, they wake up, and I get family. Why will I worry myself? God will make me do so for UK. When I carry my mama with 6 comedians from Edogo, when be say my visa never even come out. Since I dey go UK never hold my passport reach 3 weeks. Visa don come out. First of all, I get 5 years. So doing a show there, you need work permit. My work permit never come out. I don already dey do poster, do advert. A week to my show 2019, that visa come out, and the show went well with my mom. I said, okay, this same God can do something. Have a target, have a plan, have a beauty plan. You have this land already. I can't check all of them. Now this one near road, near Sapler Road, and this politics where you see go support Ize Yamu. What about now? Because many people don't really talk here, they talk go here. What about if anything not can go well? You just have to think of something and do. And I love building. Now I tell you, okay, no wahala, small money dey. All the events when I call they get there. Now me they tell people you can start a 5-star hotel with 100,000 when you have the land. You must not wait for 50 million or 100 million before you acquire a property. With your 100,000 when you have the land, you can move. Waiting be 100,000 because inside Corona, now I build this place. I built this place when cement was 4,000, 37, 35. POP cement was 10,000, 95. Inside Corona, as far as the challenge is there, you have to try by all means. Give yourself target. I told myself January 31st I'm opening. Day and night we work. How you take start with 100,000? You get land. That 100,000 call agent, call engineer. Sorry. See what I want to do this one, do this one. You can you feel use of more block. 2 trip of sand, then you buy cement, then you small. That 10 bag when you mold, as you dey come the building, the land, you see 10 bag. The joy when you first get go ginger you go also more. To mold another one to complete that block where you want to live foundation.
I agree with you.
That is my logic. I chop the 1,000 and I save the millions because of the rainy day. So I told myself, at this level, when this girl tell me, it go still hear good news, and I happy for her. She's fine, she's okay. I mean myself be okay. 11 months, God gave me this place, not because I'm too funny or I'm too hardworking. It's just by the grace of God upon my life.
Exactly.
So that is all I have to say. The building of this place, the inspiration came from God, the idea came from God, The finance came from God, which God has been perfecting his miracles. Came from God, not be say God, your come down say youngest landlord, take 20 million or take 5 million. He sent helpers of destiny, just the same way he did in Jesus Christ. The Bible says when our Lord Jesus Christ, when they gave birth to him in Bethlehem, 3 wise men saw his star, and they came from the east, and they brought gift, frankincense, they brought myrrh and gold, and they said, a king is born. Suleiman, they come meet youngest landlord. Pastor Sagezeyamo, they come meet youngest landlord. Crown priest, they come greet am. All these people, 6 pastors, they come greet am. It's not by my power or by my mind, or I'm too funny. I believe that God is using me to fulfill the scripture, that other ones of observing youngest landlord lifestyle, if you have the intention to do evil or bad, you have to stop that and realize that with your talent or in anything you are doing, you can become successful, and helpers of destiny can also locate you, if only you believe. That is it.
All right, yeah, you've heard from the horse's mouth, our one and only son, youngest landlord.
Yeah.
And what we've been hearing from him, comments have been on the comment section. You know, today we said we'll be talking from the comment section. And looking at the comment section, our brother Kelly Laker has asked the question.
But why Maleke not come?
But why Maleke not come?
Yes, it's simple.
If you see look upwards again, that question we don't see coming from.
Tell us why Maleke not come. Because
Tell
you
us
say,
why Maleke not come. Because you
make
say
we ask any
question.
First of all, much respect to my senior colleague in the comedy business,
The Baba of comedy.
Maleke. Maybe he has his own personal reason for not coming. Maybe he was busy, or maybe something came up. But all the same, one unique thing about youngest landlord is that Maleke did not come, but Apostle Suleiman came. Pastor Sagezeyamo came. Reverend Jeff Iyonawan came of Miracle Assembly. Reverend Greg Omotewan came. Tony Kabaka came. DVD Oye came. Different people in the society came. So we thought with Maleke, the event was successful. I have no grudges against him, which I also believe he don't against me. So we are brothers. We maintain senior and junior brother relationship. But all the same, one unique thing is that everybody must not be your friend. Maybe he has his own reason. So I wish him well, and I will always use a mentor, and he's an icon in the comedy industry. So he has his own reason. But one thing I just believe is that now God the bring customer. And just God and the bring customer.
All right. So you heard. You know, guy won't be past. The question with me I get to ask you. I don't ask you the one people get to ask you. Everybody goes to youngest landlord. Now you be really a big comedian. We push shares come out. So you will not support Pastor Sagezeyamo.
Yeah.
Pastor will come your house.
Yeah.
But we can see some of our senior brothers like the Maleke, the Pisholo.
Yeah.
We still bring our chairs to still support this man when you come in.
Yeah.
What's your regret having supported Pastor Sagezeyamo and you realize you never won the election?
First of all, I have no regret for supporting Pastor Sagezeyamo, because first of all, he's a good man. Because I'm close to him, that's why I say he's a good man. So one thing I believe in my life is that who I'm not close to, I don't know anything about. It is only when you are close to someone that you can know things about someone. So I'm close to him. I have no regret for supporting him because it's my choice. It's who I love, because he's a young man that is easily accessible. I say young man, he's an elder that is easily accessible. When my baby was having health issue, then with my first woman, he was the one who came in at rescue. So which shows he had me at that. So my supporting him is not based on any other thing. It's because that I just choose to appreciate the good he has done for me when my baby was not fine. That's my own personal reason, because in question I only have one vote. I'm not talking on behalf of the public. You ask me the question,
directly to me, not for general public. So everybody has this for our own reason why you are supporting someone. Like you now, Emmanuel Agbogun, you are using your MB to do live video in my hotel because you want this hotel to be promoted. You want this hotel to have customers. You don't want your brother to fall at loss. That is why you are using your MB to do it. This you are doing is a youth support. Those who don't know Youngest Landlord, through here now, they will be knowing me or will be seeing my business. In support. Imagine that you want to do something tomorrow and I don't have money to give you. Can't I also use my own platform to support you? That is what I did for Pastor Sage Izeyamo. That I also, it's not because of money. Because when I feel the talk say he give me money, look this man before election, was he doing well? Was he successful? I don't get 2 hours before election. Upper and Amagba when I did. I don't they go abroad since 2:30. They do my own show 2:19. I carry my man travel. He's living where he's okay with you people, not by my power, because you guys are the one watching my comedy, booking me in different events, marriage, birthday, weddings, shows. So now money, now God take bless me, and I go sit they take care of me. They buy my ticket for shows. So not because of the money, just because of the love I have for the man. I don't have anything against the governor. That is why in all my videos, go and check. I did not insult the governor. I was only saying this is the reason why I like this man. So there's no regret for supporting someone I have already supported. So thank you.
Yes, you have also heard from the Youngest Landlord, one and only Edo-born, first comedian to own a hotel, an apartment. Youngest Landlord. So we're going to talk about Youngest Landlord hotels and apartments.
Yeah.
I beg if you try more, we'll show our people where this hotel high be, move around.
Okay.
So that those people go really want
to. Some girls they room, sha. Some girls they room, some girls they the apartment. So may I show now the ones where people never did. Because like the first 2 apartments now, people don't carry, people just did.
Okay.
Yeah, they enjoy themselves. May God bless them also. You will never see come, God will still increase your cost.
Yeah.
Or you wait in Nigeria for how many years, will never come. The day where you see come, God will still direct you come here. Because I believe in God that He directs. Wait till anything you want to do for anybody in life. If God not permit, you don't do. So that is what I believe in. That is it. When I went to diaspora, if you are coming to Nigeria, to Benin City, I have a very discounted price for you all. When I went to diaspora, when you just say, you only come back, young guy, I want to do 1 month. I want to do 3 weeks. And I get discounted price. When we say, when I go even low, we get airport cab to pick you from the airport straight down. We get security to deal with you 24 hours. Una suppose know say that my name na dey at stake. If una no dey secure for my hotel, or if una no enjoy una comfort, una fit just see video post. So I'm very careful when it comes to things like this, because na my name na be my money. I no get soundboard. So I dey very careful for my fans.
Okay, some of our brothers over the say will give us discount. Yeah, you've heard from him. Once you come around, Youngest Landlord is available. If you hit me up, I'll give you his digits any day, anytime. So you can get to reach him. Also,
you can also follow me on Instagram. Yeah, on Instagram at Youngest Landlord. I'm even on Instagram live now. I'm not a social media person, you know. That's why I'm not able to see me online. I'm just a young man. I just believe that your blowing is not on social media. It comes from God. That is it.
all right. So let's get to take a walk, a quiet one, to see what facilities in stock for those who will be coming to use Youngest Landlord hotel, apartments, and suites. So if you're with me and you're getting nice sound, please.
Good things will continue to happen in Benin.
Yes, so
because Emmanuel Agbogun, now Youngest Landlord will tell you this. So a time will also come. Youngest Landlord will also be in Emmanuel Agbogun filling station. Emmanuel Agbogun pure water factory. It's just belief, that's all. No two ways about it. It's just for you to add your 1 naira and plus it by another 1 naira to have 2 naira.
Yes,
That is it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's it now. You guys will be seeing me behind the camera because I want to show you the youngest landlord.
You know this one, Nika, where?
CEO with Palm Slippers,
Woman.
Nika, telephone, black bullet.
You know the. No, na Bushi away, not be Bushi. Money dey.
Alright, so youngest landlord is taking us around.
Na the solar to distribute without gen.
Yeah, you have on the spot security lights.
With or
247.
without
You know, with or without anybody, there are security lights. You can always access. Moving down, you can see everywhere is peaceful, calm, and serious. So that's it.
Share the video and God bless you.
The youngest landlord just finished sharing the video. And God bless you. So I'm behind the camera.
Yeah.
I'm moving.
My security room.
Okay, this is the room for security. And this security has the light space in the apartment for now. So we're moving.
Yeah, now wear my tire for less with this. Now wear my tire for less. So I see the time for Knaza.
Okay, we're going to pump up.
Go to help me pop on man.
Please,
For continue my journey. Yeah.
So you can see that the
Jerry
parking
is
lot.
working out 24 hours.
This is another segment of the apartment. But you can see what's up here is very marvelous. What's up here is very
Do
marvelous.
you want me to take this view now? Also.
But youngest, let me want to kind of say, give us location.
Sapler Road now, Prince Alexander Ogun Road. Beside Saxi Filling Station.
Okay.
Sapler Road after IG. If you know IG, from IG they ask, say youngest landlord hotel. Now inside town it did not be bypass. Before winner.
You can see youngest landlord hotels and apartments. So you're here, that's the reception. We have the wine collection stuff over here. Flush. You can still see your room is kind of electronic entrance, so you know
Yeah.
you have, you know, how many number of times when people walk into your room and out. So that's the apartment, very cool. You can see that's the apartment, that's your room.
So let's go. Let's take you this one.
I'll get to show you what he has in stock.
Yes, yeah.
So
I can't get there.
people don't lodge for that side. So this is not the youngest apartment.
And the hotel side be this one, the single rooms.
The single room here, I'll rather show you. So you see I'm very fresh and accessible.
Yeah.
You see I say all the door handles are electronic. So your securities are sure that if you get into your room and you leave out, definitely someone will not be held accountable who goes into your room in your absence. So security for your rooms firstly assured by an electronic device. That shows you that this guy is very cool. You can see you have brand new air conditions.
3 hours.
Split unit.
This apartment now is big book. The other one don't be big book.
So this apartment is fully booked. You already have people in there.
This one people did.
This other one is fully booked. And people in there. So also the ones that you give them your
Turn your light. Light this 24 hours.
there's two portable ones that have power supply. You see? There's also water supply. There's solar lights all over everywhere in the compound. Give you
You will say you don't see get money to love. You will say you don't get money to love, but you love to love. Just to feel possible love here. Show them. Be free. I get 4-room apartment for you. For free. Oh. I dey joke.
The one youngest landlord, very perfect gentleman.
24 hours.
Now, as you can see,
The kitchen, we have nice food. Nice meal.
so you can see youngest landlord of well and suits. I think I could actually give you an air view, a little bit of what we have in stock here. You very serene environment. You have very perfect generating set. I think my guy said that day he bought it for fun.
Okay, you got to take the view.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's it. Let's see how we can do better here.
Emmanuel Agbogun, Korema.
That's the youngest landlord hotel.
An apartment.
An apartment. Very, very, very reserved. You can see the kind of buildings around. You know, say where comfortable people they stay. The guy will they look for police too. So you see them around. They know be all those kind of happen to the happen for Bela Accommodation and Umuku. So they find who they want to. No be where Bule our squad, no be where they be. So that's how it be. So that's it. Once again, it's life
People
with
to
my
acquire
brother.
this land. I tell you how. You don't be good.
It's life with my brother, youngest landlord. You see what is here for stuff. And that's it.
What you know about this?
People in the apartment, their seats are running out.
Families. As I'm talking to you now, I have 2 families here already.
In your apartment.
Yeah, 2 families. With their wives, their kids. They just dey relax, no stress, stress free. They break, they spread, they change down, they wash down. Everything there, you go cook your food for your apartment, maybe birthdays, parties, anything you want to do, come. Feel free, it's a home away from home. Your security and your comfortability is my major priority. So this place is for positive thinking, not where you can fight, make noise, think evil, play gamble. Smoke Igbo and go and be missed. No. Here you can just hide your head, relax with your family and think of the next level. You must not carry woman come hotel because you want to cheat. You can come with your family or yourself to have a good time, to rest your head. That is it.
That's it.
Because if you think about the problem of this country, to smoke Nigeria constitution, it not go reach you. You even dey find gun down to hide. So that is it.
That's my brother, the youngest landlord. So we're going back to our quiet days, comfort zone where we sat down. You can see that's the bush bar wing, where you have fresh air. You can see the serene environment, good trees around for quality oxygen, as the case may be. So once again,
Yeah.
it's youngest landlord apartments and hotels. Feels nice sitting with my brother all day, and to call this broadcast to a halt. You know, the first segment we could not take you all around. Sorry, hold on, let me have to turn the camera screen.
Abeg, help us share this video. If you get anything to talk concerning wetin you don hear from Emmanuel Agbogun and the youngest landlord, put am for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.